Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon. In this session, we are going to see data type in detail. So start with number. Number is it having a four types: teeny int, small int, integer, and big int. So it is basically dependent on the size. And so how much store we can? There is a teeny int. It size is 1 byte, and we can store the value in it. There is a 0 to 255. Then second is the small integer. Small int, it means there is a size is 2 bytes, and we can store up to 32k 767, means minus 2 plus, and there is a 4 byte minus 2 raised to 31 to 2 raised to 31, and there is a big integer. Big integer, it means it with when we declare the variable with big integer, then it will allocate 8 bytes in the memory, and the number will from minus 2 raised to 63 to the 2 raised to 63. Yeah, so let's see in a practical manner. So this is the tint, and let's say I am executing it. First of all, I am declaring it and then assign the number to it, and then I am selecting that number. Instead of that, we can use the print statement as well. So we will get that number in a message. So here, if I put as a print and let's see execute it, so in the message you will see there is a print as a 25. Okay, but right now I am as a selecting in the result set. This is known as the result set, and tiny integer limit is the 0 to 255. I suppose I assign 0, it will take. Then there is a minus 8, so it will say arithmetic overflow error. And if I am executing 256, then also I will get an error like a arithmetic overflow. So what it consider 0 to 255 value, means from 0 to 255, so it will not give us the error. So that is the tint data type. Let's see small integer. If I assign this number, so it will accept? Definitely no, because the size limit is exceed, means arithmetic overflow. What is the size? 32 6 767 767, correct? So it will take. But if I say there is a 368, then it we will get an error, correct? Okay, so let's see for integer. So it will accept. Suppose I am giving there is a number 2 raised to 31, till that number will accept, correct? Okay, then up to the certain specific limit, it will accept that number 2 raised to 31. Before and after that, there is a not accept. And there is a last data type in the integer. There is a big int, means in that I will comment this session because it getting an highlight because that is already declared. That's why I am making a comment. And in SQL Server, you can make a comment for a single line. Just this means there is a hyphen hyphen, or you have to comment multiple lines. Then what you can do? You have to asterisk symbol slash, like slash, and first of all, so yes, within this we have to make a code which is a comment section. Means for multiple lines we can use this symbol, and for single comment you for single line you can use the hyphen hyphen. Okay. And just select it and make it as a comment. Okay. Then big integer. Big integer is allowing 2 raised to 63, means minus 2 raised to 63 to the plus 2 raised to 63. Let's say I am assigning this number, I will get an arithmetic number. So based on that, we can assign number to it. Correct? So this is the number. So let's see decimal number. Decimal number, when we have to store the decimal point numbers like the 123.55, there is a precision or a scale in this matter. At that point, we can use the decimal data type, and it having a four data types in detail. There is a real, float, decimal, and numeric. Decimal and numeric are the identical one. So let's see in practical way. Um, Real number, correct? So it allows uh, 4 byte in the uh, database, and float is acquiring um, 4 byte or 8 byte in the database. Let's say first of all, here I am saying as a, so that number will allow, and it is based on the particular 2.4 or something, and then it will raise to the character and main data. So let's see float and float having this number, and there is a numeric and decimal. These are the uh, miss popular one, and miss 18 is the complete total number, means whatever that particular length of the number is the 18, and 2 means there is a scale is the 2, and 18 is the precision, means this is the precision and this is the scale. Precision means complete number of the whatever that particular, suppose I am uh, up to the 32 we can say, means there is a 32 and 32, there is a 32 numbers in the length, and 2 is the scale. Okay. And let's see, yes, we can assign this number as well to him. Data type, yes, 18. So that number is showing that here. And okay, then next, there is a money and small money. When we have to represent the currency, at that time we can use the data type, and how to use it. I am commenting it. S- Small money, 4 bytes memory in the database, and money acquire 8 bytes space in the database. So I am assigning number only to him, 5, and okay. And small money, let's assign this number. Okay, arithmetic, and same number I will assign to this, because there is a 4 byte and 8 byte. It is dependent on the size. Based on that, they are storing the number, correct? And I make a comment to it. So because num is already declared, that's why that's showing an error. So one is giving us the arithmetic overflow, and one is giving us the exact flow, because the money size is greater than the small money. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, share it, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks. Bye bye.